Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we've got another thrift store rescue. This time it's a Toguard WR953 monitor. I picked this up for just $5.49, and at that price, even if it turned into a paperweight, I figured it was worth a shot. Let's go over what this thing actually is. The Toguard WR953 is a 9.7-inch IPS monitor with a native resolution of 1024 by 600. It's marketed as a portable field monitor, often used with cameras or small displays. You get an HDMI port, a VGA, AV inputs, and even a touchscreen. So it's surprisingly versatile. Missing the stand is a bit of a deal breaker, unless you're me. So I designed a replacement. I gave it 3 mounting options, 3 standard 1/4-20 inserts so you can use it with tripods or standard camera mounts, a cable management ring at the base. This way it's not only a replacement, it might actually even be an upgrade from the stock stand. Now let's see how it performs. For the test, I hooked up a Sony NEX-7 with a macro lens to the HDMI connection. The colors look pretty accurate, and there doesn't seem to be any lag. For close-up work, or as a portable field monitor, this thing really does the job. So, final verdict, for $5.49, this was absolutely worth it. Even with the missing stand, and designing a custom one wasn't too much of an issue. Now I've got a solid little field monitor that works great for projects, filming. It's not something I would pay retail for at this point, but as a thrift store find, it's a winner. If you enjoy these thrift store rescues and do-it-yourself fixes, hit that like button and subscribe to Sawdust and Circuits so you don't miss the next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.